Hello, 8th grade. Welcome again to English class on روافد channel. I wish you a nice and enjoyable time. Today, we're going to discuss Unit 4, Period 1. أعزائي طلاب وطالبات الصف الثامن، أهلا ومرحبا بكم في درس جديد من دروس اللغة الإنجليزية عبر قناة روافد التعليمية. أتمنى لكم مشاهدة ممتعة ومفيدة بمشيئة الله. عنوان درسنا لهذا اليوم الوحدة الرابعة، الدرس الأول. هيا لنبدأ. First, let's look at the title of the unit. How to get healthy. What does it mean? كيف تصبح بصحة جيدة؟ There are different ways to get healthy. We're going to learn them in this unit. But let's say the most of all, to get healthy, we need to eat healthy food. علينا تناول طعام صحي. Number 2, to get enough sleep. أن ننام نوما كافيا. And finally, to do sport. أن نلعب الرياضة. قبل الانطلاق بهذه الوحدة، نحن بحاجة للتعرف إلى بعض المفردات الجديدة. فهل أنتم مستعدون؟ Activity number 1, listen and repeat. هيا لنستمع للكلمات الجديدة ونكررها، ومن ثم نحاول أن نجد معانيها.
Period 1. Activity 1. Fit. Get on. Had better. Junk food. Just. Only. Miss. Real. Really? Recently. Wake up.
Now, let's learn together their meanings. The first word is fit. Fit. Fit is an adjective. It means healthy. أول كلمة معنا لهذا اليوم هي كلمة fit، وتعني لائق بدنياً. The second word is get on. Get on. What does it mean? Get on means to progress or proceed. For example, we say, I'm getting on well with my life. الكلمة الثانية هي كلمة get on، وتعني يتقدم. Next, we have had better. Had better. Had better is a way of giving advice. For the man in the picture here, we say, you had better not eat this food. Had better تعني من الأفضل. The fourth word for today is junk food. Junk food. Do you know junk food? It is like burger and fries. وهي تعني الوجبات السريعة. The fifth word for today is just. Just. And just here it means only. الكلمة الخامسة لهذا اليوم هي كلمة just، وهنا just تعني فقط. The sixth word in our list is miss. Miss. Miss has different meanings. Here it means to skip. For example, the girl in the picture is missing her breakfast. هنا نجد كلمة miss. كلمة miss لها أكثر من معنى، ولكن في درسنا اليوم هي تعني أن يفوتك شيء ما. What do we see now? This is real gold. Our next word is real. Real. It is an adjective. It is the opposite of fake. ماذا نرى الآن؟ لدينا تاج من الذهب الحقيقي. كلمة real تعني حقيقي. The eighth word is really. Really. We say it when we are surprised. We say really. الكلمة الثامنة كما ترون هي كلمة really وتعني حقا. The ninth word is recently. Recently, which means lately. For example, we say, have you heard the news recently? هل سمعت الأخبار مؤخرا؟ الكلمة التاسعة معنا لهذا اليوم هي كلمة recently وهي تعني مؤخرا. The last word is wake up. Wake up. Wake up is a verb. It means to get up وهي تعني يستيقظ. Now let's do this exercise together. Complete the sentences. أكمل الجمل. Let's read the words in the box first. We have junk food وجبات سريعة. We have just بمعنى only. We have miss بمعنى يفوت شيء ما. We have wakes up بمعنى يستيقظ. And the last word is fit بمعنى لائق بدنيا. Question number 1. Nabil usually space at 6 a.m. What's the missing word? That's correct. It's wakes up. Nabil usually wakes up at 6 a.m. Number 2. We are a small family. We are space 3 people. We say we are a small family. We are just 3 people. Number 3. Chips and fries are space. Yes, chips and fries are junk food. الشيبس والمقالي من الوجبات السريعة. Number 4. If you like to be healthy and space, you should eat real food. What's the answer? If you'd like to be healthy and fit. That's right. The last sentence. Please hurry up. We're going to space the bus. Yes, hurry up. We're going to miss the bus. Thank you all. Now, let's move to activity number 2. Look at the picture. Describe it. الآن دعونا ننتقل للنشاط الثاني. انظروا إلى الصورة وعبروا عنها. As you see, there is a doctor, and this is Sammy. Sammy doesn't look very well. The doctor is showing him a book. And look at the title of the book, Get Fit and Healthy. كيف تصبح لائق بدنياً وبصحة جيدة. كما نرى في الصورة، سامي عند الطبيب ولا يبدو أنه بخير. تريه الدكتورة كتاب بعنوان كيف تصبح لائق بدنياً وبصحة جيدة. Now we're going to listen to a conversation to answer questions. Let's read the questions first. Question number 1. Is Sammy sick? هل سامي مريض؟ Question number 2. What does the doctor give Sammy? ماذا أعطت الطبيبة لسامي؟ And question number 3. A month later, does he seem to be better or worse than before? Let's listen to the conversation to answer the questions.
Period 2. Activity 4. Sammy is at the doctor's.
What's wrong, Sammy? You don't look very well.
You're right. I've been feeling quite sick for several weeks, and I've been getting tired quickly.
Have you been sleeping badly?
Yes, I have. and I haven't been playing well for my football team recently.
Have you been eating normally?
Well, no. I've been waking up late and missing breakfast.
So you've been going to school tired and hungry. And what have you been eating for lunch?
Just fries.
Sammy, fries are junk food. You need to start eating real food. And that includes fruit and vegetables.
Really?
Yes. And you'd better read this book. Get fit and healthy. Do what it says and then come back next month.
Thanks. I'll do that. I mustn't lose my place in the team.
A month later.
How have you been getting on since our talk last month?
Really well. I read the book and I've been doing what it says since then. I've been sleeping much better.
I can see that. You don't look tired today. Have you been eating better too?
Yes, and I feel much healthier now. Thanks for all your help.
Now, let's answer. Remember question number 1? Is Sammy sick? Yes, Sammy is sick. Question number 2. What does the doctor give Sammy? ماذا أعطت الطبيبة لسامي? Yes, she gave him a book. Its name is Get Fit and Healthy. A month later, does he seem to be better or worse than before? Yes, he is much better than before. Now, let's read the conversation together. Sammy is at the doctor's. Sammy عند الطبيب. The doctor asks, "What's wrong, Sammy? You don't look very well." He answers, "You're right. I've been feeling quite sick for several weeks and I've been getting tired quickly." So, سامي لا يشعر أنه بخير ويتعب بسرعة. The doctor asks him, "Have you been sleeping badly for a long time too?" وهل تنام بصورة سيئة أيضا؟ He says, "Yes, I have. I haven't been playing well for my football team recently." ولم يلعب جيدا لفريق كرة القدم. Have you been eating normally? Well, no, I have been waking up late and missing breakfast. السبب في مرضه أنه يستيقظ متأخرا ولا يتناول وجبة الفطور. So the doctor says, "So you have been going to school tired and hungry." فيذهب للمدرسة متعبا وجائعا. And what have you been eating for lunch? وماذا تتناول على الغداء؟ Just fries. يتناول المقالي. Now the doctor says, "Sammy, fries are junk food. You need to start eating real food." المقالي من الوجبات السريعة وعليك بتناول طعام حقيقي. And that includes fruit and vegetables. والطعام الحقيقي يحتوي على فواكه وخضروات. Really? Yes, and you'd better read this book. Get fit and healthy. Do what it says and then come back next month. عليك أيضا بقراءة هذا الكتاب وفعل ما يقوله الكتاب. Get fit and healthy. كيف تكون لائق بدنيا وبصحة جيدة. ومن ثم على سامي أن يعود لرؤية الطبيبة في الشهر القادم. So Sammy says, "Thanks, I'll do that. I mustn't lose my place in the team." لا يريد أن يخسر مكانه في الفريق. A month later, بعد شهر, the doctor asks, "How have you been getting on since our talk last month?" كيف أصبح سامي الآن؟ Sammy says, "Really well. I read the book and I've been doing what it says since then. لقد قرأت الكتاب وفعلت ما يقوله الكتاب منذ ذلك الوقت. I've been sleeping much better. وأصبح ينام بشكل أفضل. So the doctor says, I can see that. You don't look tired today. Have you been eating better too? لا تبدو أنك متعب اليوم. هل تأكل بشكل أفضل الآن؟ So Sammy answers, yes, and I feel much healthier now. Thanks for all your help. ويشكر سامي الطبيبة على مساعدتها في النهاية. Now, my dear students, I need you to practice our conversation at home with your family. I hope you enjoyed our time together today. Here we come at the end of our lesson. I want to thank you all for watching us and see you again next time. أحبتي، وصلنا لنهاية درسنا لليوم. أشكركم على المشاهدة وأراكم في المرة المقبلة إن شاء الله. باي باي.